Cash Giraffe Referral codes, when available, are entered through the app's referral section, but the exact location can depend on the current version of the app and the features available on your account. By the end, you'll know where to look for the referral code section, how to enter a code correctly, and what to check if the code does not work. The first place to check is inside the Cash Giraffe app. Open the app and look through the menu, Account Area, or Settings section for options related to referrals, invites, or rewards. If you find a referral section, follow the instructions shown there and enter the code exactly as provided. Referral codes are usually case-sensitive or require the correct characters, so copying and pasting the code can help avoid mistakes. If you cannot find a place to enter a referral code, the feature may not be available on your current app version or account. App features can change when developers update the application, so the location of referral options may be different over time. Another thing to check is whether the referral code is meant for new users only. Some apps limit referral offers based on account status, registration timing, or eligibility rules. If a code does not work, check for common issues first. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code, confirm that the code is still active, and verify that you are entering it in the correct section of the app. You should also update Cash Giraffe from your app store. Older app versions may not display the same menus or features as the latest version. If you are trying to share your own referral code, look for an invite or referral page inside the app. This section usually contains the tools needed to send your code to other users when the feature is available. Referral systems can change, so the app itself is the best place to confirm current options. Avoid using random codes from websites or videos unless you trust the source, because outdated codes may not provide any benefit. To summarize, check the Cash Giraffe app menu for referral options, enter codes carefully, and update the app if the feature is missing. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe and search the account or rewards sections for referral settings. If this guide helped, subscribe for more app fixes, comparisons, and earning app guides.